Let's see how to download and install CapCut for editing video. So you need to just visit capcut.com and then you will see this window, and here you can see the button download for Windows. So it will automatically start download, and it's actually the installer, and it will take few minutes to install, and like it download and install all the file. So if you click on hit the edit video online, also you can edit video with their cloud-based editor, but I don't recommend you to use big file on their web mode. So it's actually will take you too much time. So that's why I always recommend you to download PC version and install the TikTok. So when you click their installer, the TikTok will start downloading and install. So that's it. You can see this file is already downloaded. So just I don't want to download it because for saving your time I skip this part, and you can see when you completely download, then you will see this software. This is the CapCut, and if I want to show you the installer window, like okay, first of all we need to sign in these tools, because this if we sign in, then we won't get any watermark. So I just want to sign in with Google because it's pretty easy for me, but if you want, you can use the Facebook. Also you can use their QR code with your phone version if you have. So you can see it's already started downloading, and you can see this is the installer. So I don't want to use it again, so I just want to stop this download tools. Okay, so now this is the version that like it's signing successfully, and you can see this is the complete downloaded file of CapCut. So if you want to start with CapCut, then you just need to hit the new project button. So when you click on hit like new project, then you will see this software dashboard. So this is actually the video editor tools. That's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel, because it will help me to continue working on this channel. My name is Nasim, and I will see you on the next video. Till then, bye. Have a good day.